told you, my gardening family, come garden with me in my small space garden, and this happened. I am monetized. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live, sweet jam.
Welcome back to my garden. I just want to let you all know that I am monetized. To God be the glory. And I just want to tell all of you, thank you so much. Thank you for your unwavering support and for making this happen. If it had not been for you, your support, you watching, you commenting, you liking, it would not have been possible. And so I just want to take the time out to thank all of you, my beautiful GWS family, Gardening with Stacy family. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And of course, welcome to all my new supporters, my new gardening family. I welcome all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and join the family, become a part of the GWS family. It's just pure love and gardening over here. Of course, you can support me even more by becoming a member of this channel, this garden, this family. So yes, feel free to hit the join button and become a GWS family elite. Yes, that's you. And thank you so much in advance. Also, don't be afraid if you're watching and you want to appreciate any of my videos, you can go ahead and drop me a donation of thanks. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much in advance. Also, you can support me by purchasing one of my books. Yes, my adult activity book on Amazon. The link is in my description. You will love it. I promise you. It's an adult activity book. It has word bingo. It has unscramble, physical check, would or would not. It has tongue twisters. It has would you rather. It has this or that. It has fallen phrase puzzle, it has crossword puzzles, and it has connect the dots. You will love it. You can enjoy this book. It's a perfect gift. I sincerely appreciate the support and thank you so much in advance. For those of you who already purchased one of my books on Amazon, whether this one or any of the other children books, I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much. I appreciate your love and your support. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so yes, I constantly crave your support. I can grow my food, but I cannot grow my channel without you. May God bless and keep you all, always. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. Gardening has taught me patience, improved my physical and mental health, it increases my faith, and it boosts my confidence. Gardening has caused me to appreciate nature more. The sound of the birds chirping, the pleasant atmosphere, the growth of my plants, the beautiful harvests. Gardening has caused me to meet some of the most beautiful people in the world. You, my wonderful garden family and supporters. I thank God each and every day for his hands upon me and my garden. He said in his words in Psalm 1 verse 3, and it says, and I personalize this, and gardening with Stacy shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth her fruit in her season. Her leaf shall not wither, and whatsoever she doeth shall prosper. In the mighty name of Jesus, glory to God. Thank you so much again, guys, my gardening family and supporters. Once again, I appreciate you. God bless you and your family. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I saw me born, I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.